In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw trend lines, use trend lines as support resistance on TradingView. First, have your chart open in TradingView. On the left side panel, find the trend line tool. It's the icon that looks like a simple diagonal line, and when you hover over it, you'll see the label. Click that icon to activate the tool, so your next click will place a line on the chart. This tool is the foundation for visualizing market direction and spotting dynamic support and resistance. Then click on the chart to add the trend line. Aim to anchor it at a clear pivot point. For an uptrend, that's typically a swing low. For a downtrend, it's a swing high. Place the line so it connects at least two meaningful pivots in the same direction. The cleaner the pivots and the more times price has respected the line, the more useful that trend line tends to be. If your first attempt isn't perfect, that's normal. Just refine the position by dragging the line or its endpoints until it neatly captures the slope of the move without forcing it through price action. Now let's turn that line into a decision-making aid. When price is rising and your trend line runs below the candles, treat it as dynamic support. Price pulling back into that line and bouncing is a common continuation pattern. In a falling market, a trend line drawn above price acts as dynamic resistance, where rallies often fade. Remember, a small overshoot by wicks can happen. What matters is whether the general structure respects the line. Consistency is key. Decide whether you prioritize wick extremes or candle closes and apply that approach uniformly. A few practical tips make a big difference. Start with clear, obvious swings. Avoid fitting the line to every minor jiggle. 2 solid touches define the line, and a third touch helps confirm its relevance. If the market later accelerates or changes slope, don't hesitate to redraw to reflect the new rhythm. Many traders also prefer projecting the line forward so it's easier to anticipate potential reaction areas. Adjusting style, color, and visibility can help keep your chart readable. As you evaluate reactions, combine the trend line context with overall trend, momentum, and major timeframes to improve reliability. That's all there is to it. Click the trendline icon on the left panel, then click on the chart to add it, and use that line as dynamic support or resistance to read price behavior with more confidence. Practice on different symbols and timeframes. Keep your lines clean and consistent, and let the chart tell its story.